Hey guys, what's up? This is Smokey with My Creations 5280 again. As you can see, I'm changing my cabin air filter on a 2015 GMC Sierra. I've seen a few videos where people will take all this whole damn thing off the top compartment and the bottom compartment. Honestly, on a 2015, when you lower this thing down, it has this clamp. It has a little spring so it doesn't go all the way down and it doesn't fall on you. You don't even have to empty your whole department. That thing clamps right here. Once you take it off from the inside, you just push it this way, it'll come out. On the bottom, the thing that holds right here, it has these little pins with the same hex T15 screwdriver that you need for the screws. Just grab it, push it in, push them out, and then it comes out. You don't even have to take that out if you have access to the screws. It has 4 screws, which I already took out. 4 T15. I don't know if you can see this, T15 hex screws. Once you take off those 4 screws, oh shit, I'm gonna have to set down my phone, guys. Again, like always. Just grab this damn part. Oh, there you go. And then you just pull it out of the tabs. You should have 2 tabs, one on each hand, one on each side. I mean, once the clamps out, the whole little thing engine comes out. This is the part that holds your little cabin thingy there. Let me pick up my mess. Well, I guess I'll set it over here. Make sure you don't lose your screws. Best place to put them, right here on the door. As you can see, these are the little hex screws that you gotta take out. You take out 4 of these, and you gain access to this, which is where the cabin filter is. Again, I need my other hand, so hopefully you guys could see. Here, I'll set you guys up right here. Oh shit, right there. It has 2 tabs all the way up here. I don't know, here, let me put some light up in there. It has a tab up here. Pull this, and then the other side. Once you pull those 2 tabs out, boom, there you go. This is the lid for the air cabin filter. I could already see that my filter is a mess. Ever since I bought my truck, it smelled like caca with the hint of poop. It's only 3 years old, and it smells really bad when I turn on the AC or the heater. But I'll show you guys what it looks like, and it's really bad. I got dead bugs and all kinds of shit in here. Yup, it needed some cleaning, some changing. Well, I only use the best for the best. I'm going with the K&N cabin filter. The reason I like this one is because it's washable, and it'll last forever because you can just take it off whenever it starts stinking again. You gotta buy that kit, which is not included. You cannot clean it with this engine air filter replacement kit. You have to use the one that says refreshener and cleaner, because this is the cabin. That's where all the bad smells come out from. I'll show you how to put this back up once we installed everything. Guess don't need that. Oh, fancy Nancy, look at this. You're wondering why it's oily. Well, it's oily because it's K&N. and they use an oil so it could catch more of that nasty debris. All right. Oh, I like this one because it has this little tab. Next time you gotta take it out, this is where you grab it. Because I don't know if you saw me on the video when I was pulling the old one. I used my, oh, I forgot I had the light on. Sorry about that if I blinded you guys. You grab it from here to replace it, which is pretty cool, and it even says front. So back to putting it on. Light up this place up a little bit. It should be an easy peasy to go back in there. It just lights right in, nice and sexy. Go and put this little lid back on, same way it came out. The little tabs right here, put them in here, and then just lock it in place. Now to put this thing, I don't want to have the struggle of doing this. Once I put this in, I gotta pull this thing this way so I could connect it to that. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and take my time and do it right here, out here, because I don't need it. The same way I'm putting it in is the same way I got it out. Just push this in on your cabin. Once that thing is in there, if you see the tabs that I was talking about, damn, this light there, here's the tabs. If you can see these, you just push it in, all the way in. Sorry guys, it's hard to record with the phone and then this thing in one hand and try to do this other thing in another hand. But I got them in. As you can see, I didn't even empty my little glove compartment. I didn't empty it, didn't have to. Well, here's the thing I was telling you. It only goes in one way. And it's kind of like a triangle right here. So it's got the shape of it. Now I could pull it easily and put it up in here. There. It's all good to go. Now to put it in here, I'm gonna set you guys down again right here. Hopefully y'all can see. This is the tab I was telling you. It has one tab on each side. You want to align it and then push it in. Well, once it's pushed in, you open your glove compartment. This thing should not fall anymore. You grab your screws. Sorry, it took me a little while. And you should have access with this thing open by itself to go ahead and put the screws back in. And I'm taking my sweet ass time, like always. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other two screws. If you could see the other two screws, you gotta close this up, and they're down here. No need, you don't need to take off this entire top part like I seen other videos that you have to do. They take off this whole top part and then take all this, all that. You don't have to do that. You don't even have to take this off. I took it off just to show you guys that it was a lot easier to put this back on. With the same hex screw, all I did is I grabbed this right here and I pulled it this way so it could come out of that hole. And that's the one little rope that I showed you guys earlier on the video that holds this from falling down once you take it off from its actual slab right here. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell notifications. Share it. And comment if you want. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out. How to change a cabin filter.